Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do, subscribe and hit that notification bell. So, Kotoko are interested in, is it Bofokwatano or Bofokwatano striker Obuku Takyi Welbeck. If we sign him, it's going to be our own Welbeck, the original Welbeck. Kotoko are interested in this striker because he has scored 9 goals in 11 games for Division 1 and he gained a call-up to the Black Star squad. Can you imagine? He gained his call-up to the Black Star squad from Division 1, which means that he is very, very good. I haven't seen him play, to be honest with you. I haven't seen him play, but from the things I've been hearing about him and for the fact that Asante Kotoko called him to the Ghana Black Star squad, it means that he's promising for 20. He's 20 years old and he's promising, which means that he might be a very good replacement for Kwame Poko. Now, Kotoko are going for Kwame Pepra. Yes, Kotoko are going for Kwame Pepra from King Faisal, but other clubs are also going for Kwame Pepra, and negotiations are slow because King Faisal are taking a lot of time to make a decision on Kwame Pepra. So Kotoko have gone to Sunyani, where the Bofokwatano, I don't know how to pronounce the name, Bofokwatano club is in Sunyani, and Takyi Opoku Welbeck is coming to Kotoko according to reports, as they stated that the communications director traveled to Sunyani to seal this deal, and it's going to be a very, very remarkable deal because people are saying that he's one of the best strikers in the Division 1, if not the best striker. He scored hat-trick in the last game against the Man City, and it's amazing that everyone is talking about this player, and I can't find highlights of him on YouTube or anywhere online. So if you're watching this and you have highlights of this player, please let me know, or you contact me in any of our social media pages so that I'll put it here on this channel because I want to see him play. Everybody have been saying nice things about him. I haven't seen him play. I want to see him play. He scored 9 goals in 11 games, no problem. Scored a hat-trick, no problem. The only remarkable thing, the only thing that is giving me the benefit of the doubt is the fact that Asante Kotoko called him to the Ghana Black Star squad, because it takes talent to be called up to the Ghana Black Star squad from the Division 1. So that is why I'm giving him the benefit of the doubt that he's a very good player, and for the fact he got called into the Ghana Black Star squad, I have nothing to say. If Kotoko are getting him, bring him to Kumasi, bring him to Kotoko, and let's see how he pans out. Hopefully he pans out well. So he's 20 years old. He scored 9 goals in 11 games. He's from Bofokwatano Division 1 club in Sunyani, and he's coming to Kotoko. Kotoko are going to bid for that player. Figures of the bid hasn't been released, but I'm hearing that Kotoko are interested in the player, very, very interested in the player, and the player is also interested in moving to Asante Kotoko. And I would like to know your thoughts. Put down in the comments and tell me what you think about the signing. Do you think this player is going to be one of the best signings we've made? You know, we got Kwame Poko for free, and now we are selling for some. And now we have sold him for huge sum. I've forgotten that he's already left. We've sold him for huge sum. Now we are going for another Division 1 player, and we're about to show him how good Kotoko is and how he can get exposure from Kotoko or at Kotoko. So I'd like to know your thoughts. What do you think about this deal? Do you think it's going to be a very good deal? I'm happy because for the fact that this player gets called up to the Black Star squad, I have high expectations for him. I'm hoping he comes up and tear the Ghana Premier League. So tell me what you think about this deal. I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, do that right now and hit the notification bell. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.